इसरो ISTRAC वेरियस पोस्ट रिक्वायरमेंट 2026, जिसमें साइंटिफिक असिस्टेंट में 2 पोस्ट निकली है, कंप्यूटर साइंस की और एक BSc मैथ्स की, जिसका डिटेल सिलेबस हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में डिस्कस किया है। आज हम बात करेंगे कंप्यूटर साइंस के PYQ की। प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर को आज हम देखेंगे। 2022 का क्वेश्चन पेपर है कंप्यूटर साइंस का। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखें। व्हेन ER डायग्राम इज मैप्ड टू टेबल द रिप्रेजेंटेशन इज रिडंडेंट फॉर। सही ऑप्शन है बी, वीक रिलेशनशिप सेट। इस क्वेश्चन पेपर में टोटल 80 क्वेश्चन है और एक क्वेश्चन सही होने पर 1 मार्क ऐड होता है और अगर क्वेश्चन गलत होता है तो 0.33 की नेगेटिव मार्किंग होती है इस एग्जामिनेशन में। सेकंड क्वेश्चन क्या है हमारा कि सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन ऑन एरर कंट्रोलर प्रोटोकॉल्स प्रेजेंट इन डेटा लिंक लेयर। सही ऑप्शन है ए, दैट इज 1 2 3 यानी स्टॉप एंड वेट ARQ, go back and ARQ, selective repeat ARQ. Which of the following is the fastest memory? इसका आंसर है C, register. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। A processor performing faith or decoding of different instructions during the execution of another instruction is called what? The answer B, pipelining. क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। In Ethernet 1000 BASEX, the encoding scheme used is dash that encodes that dash bit data into dash bit data groups. सही आंसर है C, 8B 10B 8 10। सिक्स क्वेश्चन देखें तो इसका राइट आंसर है बी, दैट इज 3NF। सेवन्थ क्वेश्चन देखें तो इफ़ अ प्रोसेस फेल्स मोस्ट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम राइट्स द एरर इनटू अ। राइट आंसर है बी, लॉग फाइल। 8 क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। द हेप इज यूज्ड फॉर डायनेमिक मेमोरी एलोकेशन। ये इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा। 9th क्वेश्चन देखें। कंसीडर अन अनडायरेक्टेड ग्रुप G विद n varieties and E edge. What is the time taken by depth first search is G is represented by? तो इसका राइट आंसर है C। 10th क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। IEEE 802 1 lakh is a wireless networking standard working on 2.4 GHz band. ये इसका राइट आंसर है। सेट कॉन्सेप्ट यूज्ड इन नेटवर्क मॉडल। ठीक है। 12th क्वेश्चन है। डैश प्रोटोकॉल combines some aspects of UDP and TCP। तो इसका राइट आंसर है बी, स्ट्रीम कंट्रोल टर्मिनेशन प्रोटोकॉल। 13 नंबर का क्वेश्चन है। द पर्पस ऑफ रिवाइंड फंक्शन इन C इज व्हाट? फाइल पॉइंटर इन इनिशियलाइज्ड टू बिगिनिंग ऑफ द फाइल। अ बाइनरी सर्च ट्री is generated by inserting the following integers. The number of nodes in the left subtree and right subtree of the root are dash respectively. C इसका राइट आंसर है। 19 नंबर का क्वेश्चन देखिए। Which operator is used to compare a value of a list of literals value that have been specified? सही ऑप्शन है सी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 20। इन ऑर्डर टू अलाउ ओनली वन प्रोसेस टू एंटर इट्स critical section, binary is initialized to. बी इसका राइट ऑप्शन है 1। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21, इंटरनेट कंट्रोल मैसेज प्रोटोकॉल टेक केयर ऑफ डैश, इसका राइट आंसर है 4th। इफ द एरर आर मोर इन द इथरनेट फ्रेम bandwidth loss is minimal, right option is B। Question number 23, the technique used in WLAN is, right answer is C। What is the wait time of process P2 using shortest job first scheduling, right answer is D। Consider a multi-programmed system with a degree of C of 6. Assume that each process spends 40% of its time waiting for I/O. I/O means input output. What will be the CPU utilization? Right answer is C। What is the maximum number of comparison required to search an element in unsorted list of n elements using binary search? Right option is D। Question number 27, tables in second normal forms, right answer is A। 28 question number is choose the incorrect segment, choose the incorrect segment regarding TCP and UDP। incorrect segment है A। 29th question number, the number of process completed per unit time is called, right answer is C। Question number 30, if an entity appear in not more than 5 relationship, then it is a what? Right option is V। 31 question number, which of the following XPath expression selects the attributes? Right option is A, at the rate। Question number 32, which of the following values has been assigned to the target tag in the base tag to open the link page in the new window? Right option is A, that is blank। Question number 33, what is the final value of B in the given C code segment? Right option is V, that is 9। Key to represent the relationship between table is called foreign key। 35 question number, the number of trades trade pool depends on, right option is B। Question number 36 is, in ASP which of the following method is used to end the current user session and destroy the current session object? Right option is D। The main container of the HTML tag, right option is D। Increasing the RAM of this PC improves performance because fewer page fault, right option is B। What is the control flow graph of the following code fragment? Right option is A। Question number 40, which of the following is not a type of integration strategy? Right option is C। Question number 46 is, construction of a coaxial table can be briefly given as, right option is B। Token ring is standardized in 1989 as IEEE, right option is C। Range of number which can be represented by 9-bit when 2s complement integer representation is used, right option is A। Technique where the controller is given complete access to main memory is dash, right option is D। Question number 50 is, what is the maximum size of the disk for the following detail? Right option is C। Which of the following is a phase of completion process? Right option is D। Question number 52 is, which of the following is called a self-referential structure? Right option is A। Question number 53, what is the output of the C code fragment show? Right option is B। Question number 54, what is the output of the following JavaScript code? Right option is C। Question number 55 is f gates and gates functions are declared in the C header file dash. Right option is A. 56 question number, if the requirement are frequently changing in a software project, which model among the following is best suited to adopt for the project? Right option is D. Question number 57, which of the interrupts are non-mistakable? Right option is B. 58 question number, which of the following is not a non-functional requirement? Option B is right. Question number 59, right option is D. Question number 60, of the following is logically or relational operator? Option number C is right. Question number 61, the number of successful access to memory stated as a fraction is called as? Option number D. Question number 62, selected the correct option regarding function as ARP. Option number B is right. Option number 63, which of the following is used for static allocation of memory in C? Option number D is right. Question number 64, the worst case time required to search a given element in a shortly linked list of length and is? Option number C is right. Question number 65, which of the following C segment is valid? Option number D is right. Is an error happen every 2 days? What is the probability that the system will not fail for 4 days? Option number A is our right answer. Question number 67, the concept of performing a sequence of steps operations executed to completion as single step is called? Option number C is right. Question number 68, which of the following are specified by URL? Option number B is right. Telnet uses the default port of? Option number A is right. The instruction phase end with dash. Option number D is right. Question number 71, the number 1, 2, dash n are inserted in a binary search tree in the same order. Its right subtree has been noted, then the first number of the inserted in the tree must be? Right option is D. Question number 72, the instruction like MOV and ADD are called as? Option number A, OP code. Question number 73, which of the following is not required for an XML document to be well formed? Option number A is right. The output of the given C code fragment is dash. Option number A is right. Zero address instruction format is used for? Option number C is right. Software compatibility means which of the following? Option number A is right. Which of the following are tools in design phase? Option number D is right. Why is type conversion needed? Option number D is right. क्वेश्चन नंबर 79, जिसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर सी. इन द गिवन सी कोड फ्रेगमेंट फिल 4 टाइम्स ऑफ एक्स विद अ appropriate C keyword function to find the end of file. ऑप्शन नंबर इसमें सी हमारा राइट आंसर है. साइंटिफिक असिस्टेंट की पोस्ट पर 2022 का क्वेश्चन पेपर, बाकी और भी क्वेश्चन पेपर धीरे धीरे अपलोड होंगे. तो आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी आप कमेंट में करके बताएं. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.